Wag. Wag.
Guys! Make a circle! Because we're going to have fun!
What kind of fun?
Ang laro na gagawin natin ay bring you. I have a letter here, A to Z. Kung anong letter yung makuha nyo, yun yung ibibigay nyo sa atin.
Oh, seriously, dito pa talaga sa kagubatan? Parang ang hirap naman yan eh.
It's okay yan, para challenging.
Naduduwag ka lang ata eh.
Okay guys, pick a letter. Pick. So I will give you 2 hours para gawin ang laro. The game starts now. Takbo! This is the perfect time.
Parang wala naman dito ah.
Yes, wala naman dito mga esa.
Bakit? Bakit ba ito ginagawa? Wag. Wag. Wag mo itong gawin. Wag!
Bitch.
Wag! Bakit?
R! Yes! May rocket! Oh my gosh, napakadali lang!
Ay! Babalik na ako! Guys, nahanap ko na yung rocket! Guys! Gabi na! Asan kayo?
Stop and go. Bakit?
Oh, Valerie! You're here!
Bakit? Bakit mo ito ginagawa?
Wala lang. I told you. I want fun.